Hi, this video has been prepared to reveal to you what the BNT token is. We will tell you how it came to be and explain in plain language how it works. While there are many blockchain projects focused on dApps and token conversion, the Bancor network and its BNT token stand out. Indeed, this project is one of the most well-known in the cryptocurrency space. It has also had its share of ups and downs, from blockbuster ICOs to legal problems. We'll leave you a link to buy BNT below this video. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like it. Stay tuned because we are starting.
The Bancor network is controlled by the Bancor Foundation, which is based in Zug, Switzerland. The company also operates a research and development center in Tel Aviv, Israel, which gives the company a foothold in the growing blockchain center in Zug as well as in the growing Middle Eastern technology center Tel Aviv. The company was founded in 2016 by a group of Israelis with experience in Silicon Valley startup as well as experience scaling startups and blockchain technology. It was named after the international trade balance currency originally conceived by John Maynard Keynes. The Bancor network is perhaps best known for running one of the most successful ICOs ever. In 2017, it set a world record by raising more than $153 million in Ethereum tokens in less than 3 hours. The world record has since been broken by several projects, but it remains an impressive start for the project. Since the ICO, more than $1.5 billion in token conversions have been made on the Bancor network platform, all backed by BNT tokens. In addition, there are more than 100 liquidity providers acting as Bancor nodes, and these nodes provide more than $13 million in liquidity by placing BNT tokens for token conversions.
Bancor already provides traders and investors with an amazing set of conversion options with instant commission-free trading available for tokens on more than 8,700 pairs of tokens directly through the Bancor wallet. By comparison, Binance, one of the most popular exchanges, has about 196 tokens available, but only 586 trading pairs. One of the biggest advantages of Bancor and the BNT token is that they bring liquidity to cryptocurrency markets. And without liquidity, currencies tend to wither and die. After all, who wants to own a currency that is not easy to buy and sell?
Leading cryptocurrencies such as Ethereum, Ripple, Litecoin and others in the top 20 have sufficient trading volume on their own, but the Bancor protocol offers a unique solution that provides automated, decentralized liquidity for any token. Through the Bancor protocol, any token, even privately created tokens, can get instant liquidity, no matter how much trading volume this token has. This is an incredibly important feature when it comes to implementing decentralized apps, since many dApps have their own tokens, and now these tokens can be converted to other cryptocurrencies instantly and with a click right in the user's wallet.
Bancor provides a much-needed service to increase liquidity for any token and to create a platform where any token can be exchanged without the need for a counterparty. This is something that cannot be achieved with any other asset. Take fiat currencies, for example. If you want to exchange US dollars for yen, you need to find someone willing to sell yen to complete the transaction. Every asset is like that. There must be a buyer and a seller for the transaction to work.
Bancor requires only one person to complete the transaction, and liquidity is provided by BNT's token and its smart contracts. BNT token smart contracts provide a constant balance between tokens. After any transaction is completed, there will also remain a total balance, which is the BNT balance encoded in the smart contract. This structure eliminates the need for the exchange to act as a third party for transactions. With Bancor and its BNT token, you can continuously exchange for Ethereum and EOS compatible tokens directly through the Bancor wallet. You can think of the system as an hourglass. It is a closed system, and no matter how you turn the hourglass, it always contains the same amount of sand. In this analogy, the hourglass represents the BNT smart contract, and the grains of sand are the tokens being traded. The team's next step will be the decentralized application development marketplace, which will also use cross-chain interoperability and balance smart contracts. There are also allowed out plans for rewards to encourage liquidity and Bancor DAO to add self-governance to the blockchain and full decentralization.
BNT stacking rewards is a future improvement planned to incentivize users to provide liquidity for the network. The rationale for adding staking fees is that Bancor needs liquidity to reduce commissions for traders, as well as to increase trading volume and overall network commissions. By giving users an incentive to increase network liquidity, Bancor expects its network to grow and thrive.
Although plans to add stacking rewards are in the early stages, for the most part users will receive BNT rewards for holding their BNTs in an existing liquidity pool, such as MKR BNT or ETH BNT. The number of new BNTs that will be created as stacking rewards and the distribution of stacking rewards across different pools in the network will be determined by users voting on Bancor DAO. This type of reward system is expected to attract new users to the ecosystem due to the annual interest rate generated from commissions and stacking rewards. Bancor is carefully designing its stacking reward system to avoid concentrating rewards in a small number of pools, instead preferring to provide an even distribution across dozens of network pools.
Vortex is a solution implemented in February 2021 that allows users to provide liquidity in BNTs to borrow funds while continuing to earn revenue from swap fees. Vortex redesigned the existing VBNT mechanism, which gave the token more capabilities beyond providing management. This turned out to be a very good thing when Bancor switched to gasless voting, otherwise the VBNT token would have lost all utility.
The VBNT is obtained by placing BNT in a liquidity pool, making it a pool token for the Bancor network. Vortex adds additional features to VBNT so that the user can sell VBNT for actual BNT tokens. This means that once the VBNT is converted, the resulting BNT can be exchanged for any other token. Adding this feature makes Vortex a no-liquidation lending platform, which is pretty cool because it allows the liquidity provider to earn future fees immediately. And because the principal will continue to accrue swap fees, the loan will eventually pay off. The non-liquidity aspect of Vortex comes from the fact that VBNT and BNT are essentially the same tokens. Thus, any change in the price of BNT is closely mirrored by VBNT. And while VBNT is created at a one-on-one ratio when betting, the price ratio between the two is not so simple.
Bancor Vortex originally envisioned a token delivery management solution that would collect a portion of the trading revenue and use it to buy and burn VBNT. This initial model was dynamic and complex, but in March 2021, the DAO voted to replace the dynamic model with a fixed pay model. Under this fixed pay model, 5% of total protocol swap revenue is transferred to the VBNT burner smart contracts, and its addition would turn VBNT into a more deficit asset. This is long-term deflationary and positive for the Bancor ecosystem.
The fixed burn rate will gradually adjust over 18 months with an ultimate goal of 15%. Theoretically, as trade volume increase, VBNT burn will also accelerate. Thus, VBNT burning mechanism is expected to become an important part of the flexible monetary policy applied by the DAO in the coming years. In the VBNT recording mechanism, tokens are not burned automatically. Tokens are moved into a burn smart contract and users are then given the opportunity to interact with that contract, as well as pay the necessary gas fees associated with the burn. Each VBNT token burned represents a BNT token permanently locked into the network. This increases the BNT deficit and keeps the total blocked value growing over time. The Bancor team also envisions new game-filled DeFi strategies based on this model. In addition to direct incentives to activate the burn mechanism, a new type of transparent peer-to-peer game becomes available for VBNT. Speculators will have ample opportunity to monitor each other's online actions and can simultaneously create and exploit arbitrage opportunities in the VBNT pool at their leisure.
On the 12th of June 2017, Bancor held an ICO that raised $153 million in just 3 hours. During that ICO, about 40 million BNT tokens were sold at an average price of $3.92 each. There are currently about 70 million BNT tokens in circulation. The BNT token reached an all-time high of $10 on the 10th of January 2018 and a record low of $0.1 on the 13th of March 2020.
As of mid-June 2020, BNT had recovered significantly from its March historic low and was trading at $1.17, just 3 months after a stunning gain of 1,500%. This gain was primarily due to the news of the July 2020 release of Bancor V2. BNT Bancor did not experience the same growth as many other altcoins in 2021, although it did see some upside as it reached $9.15 on March 7, 2021. It has since declined significantly, and as of May 22, 2021, it is trading at $4.36. However, the negotiable supply could change as BNT is created as needed to initiate exchanges. The Bancor protocol will create as many BNTs as necessary to match the value of the currencies held in the smart contract. Once stacking rewards are added, the circulating supply is bound to increase more quickly and regularly.
Thanks for watching this video. Check out the channel for new videos.